Hello there and welcome to Tutoring with Jonas. Today we're going to solve a problem regarding combination. And the question is, how many possible ways are there to place 3 dogs in 5 boxes? The point of this exercise is to find the answer without actually counting all of the possible cases that may come up if you try to list the many ways in which you could place all those 3 dogs in 5 boxes. And in order to achieve that, we have to use the combination formula. In the combination formula, we have these two numbers, namely n and k, and we have the symbol here that looks like an exclamation mark, but it truly is a factorial symbol. What's the meaning of that symbol? If you have, for example, 10 factorial, what you have to do is multiply all numbers starting at 10 all the way until you reach number 1. So these are pretty big numbers that should be carried out in a calculator. This will work only as an example of what you have to do when you want to find the factorial of a given integer. So the point is figuring out in our problem who is n and who is k. So n represents number 5 and k represents 3. So k is the number of things you want to place or organize, and 5 in how many ways or in how many places you want to do that. So this number represents how to combine these 3 dogs in 5 different boxes or places. And what we have to do is replace n by 5 and k by 3. Meaning our equation would look like this. We have changed n by 5 and k by 3. So we have the same symbol here, factorial. 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial times, open up the parentheses, 5 minus 3, as the formula says, n minus k factorial. Solve this and you get 2 factorial, and then all you have to do is expand this 5 if you're not using a calculator. Okay, that way you will be able to simplify until you get these final two numbers here, because 3, 2, and 1 can be simplified with this 3, 2, and 1 here, so we only get 5, 4 on the numerator and 2 here below in the denominator. So it all adds up to 10. Now the point is not just solving this problem as much as knowing how to solve a similar problem when you are asked to make a combination of two numbers. How many ways are there to place a number? 3 could be 3 balls in 5 different boxes, for example. And we have a way to solve this using bigger, larger numbers. So in this case, it could have been done by listing all the potential cases with 3 and 5, but it would take too long. So what happens if you get like 6 and 10, for example, then it's going to take a while. So it's easier to know how to use this formula here, the combination of the numbers n and k. For more information on SAT tutoring for the new SAT starting next year, calculus, pre-calculus, general high school math, GMAT, or even TOEFL and IELTS, feel free to contact me through the emails and Skype user in the info box down there, and have a tryout private class.